Guys, I am in Wilmington heading across town. Going to a call where the system will not keep up. It has been one of the systems I have visited very often because of the installation and design was so crappy, if that's the right word, engineering word, that it just has trouble all the time. So we're gonna go back and take a look at it. We've seen it in previous videos. It's a train split system. The unit in the garage had the high static pressure. It was like 1 point something, I think. It was just horrible. So we're gonna see what we can do for this poor bastard besides put it out to pasture. As you can see, we have thermostat lagging behind setting. Let's go down to what we have here. Okay. It's a little bit dirty on the pleated one, 12 by 12. We're going to hook it up and run it just like it is. Then we're going to take them out. I am up in the attic with the air handler, familiar spot. My supply probe. Around the back there, you can't really see it, is the return probe. Supply ductwork runs down, and looks like it runs up over there. It's a weaving trail of crap. And the attic, I'm sure, is hot. So we're gonna take these two temperature measurements and temperature spread, check the machine again, because I think it's gonna be fine. And then we'll put the field piece on the farthest outlet to see how much it warms up between here and its destination at the grill. Because sometimes our warmer attics can cause problems as far as losing your cooling before it gets to the actual living space. So we'll see if that's one of the causes of this problem. Here's our numbers, much like before. Good subcooling, good superheat, excessive suction pressure due to excessive airflow, trying to move the air from one part of the house to the other. Let's see how well we did. Guys, we may be onto something here, because I just had the machine ramp down and shut off the condenser even though the thermostat's still calling. So we're going to see where our signal drops out, see what's going on. Well, we were not so lucky. It turned back on before I could even take the door off. So I'm going to let it run for a minute, see if it does it again. See what's going on here. Back running now. Our field piece meter is taking our temperature from our other supplies. So right now we're 65 coming out of the machine and 69 coming out of the outlet in the bedroom on the far end. So the field piece had pretty good distance. I walked all the way to my truck with it. So that was pretty good. Guys, I'm up in the attic here in a nice confined area, as you see. Here's the roof. Here's my work zone. That wasn't very far, was it? At the old manifold here, everything is right on target down to the T. The temperature split, everything. Everything. So, I had the unit cut out on me while I was up here, and it came back on before I could investigate. Now the wiring is a little bit dirty, and what happened when it cut out is it cut out in cooling, but the fan kept running, and the fan's not set to on. So I'm thinking that we had our G signal, our Y signal, and our O signal from the thermostat, and we lost our Y, perhaps from a loose connection. So I'm just going to take a look at it, see if I can clean it up and make that connection up again, just in case that's what happened. Then we can restart it, and not much else I can do to it unless it presents a symptom I can follow. So I'm going to take care of that and then start it up again. Guys, I remade the connections on the Y wire. We should be good to go there. We should not lose signal here at the air handler if that's what happened actually. It's hard to tell. One of the connections did break off when I took it off, so it might have been weak or loose or something like that. So that's encouraging, but we will see. We're going to start it back up and let it run for a while, and I'm going to get out of this attic because it's hot.
Next, she's gonna win again. Gonna get back what she lost at all costs. Next, she's gonna win again. She's gonna burn up the street at our defeat. She's gonna laugh because it's all a game, one we can't win, but we'll try again. Next she's gonna win again when she storms through the skies. Watch you scrambling to be safe.